University London collaborates closely with various game industry professionals and companies. One of our key partnerships includes Indie Games, a non-profit organisation dedicated to promoting diversity in the UK gaming industry. This partnership includes unprecedented access to industry professionals from game studios, software developers, industry organisations, and we also gain access to events like where we're at today, WASD. Students have access to guest lecturers, curriculum-relevant workshops, internships, as well as networking opportunities to these industries.
Staffordshire University London offers state-of-the-art facilities and resources to support students in their game development projects. This includes a dedicated space, the Production Warehouse. Our Production Warehouse is a hub of innovation and creativity, boasting a wide range of cutting-edge facilities that cater to a variety of study areas. You'll find top-of-the-line dual-screen monitors, high-powered RTX 3080 graphics cards, the latest game development software, and virtual reality equipment that will bring your gaming and design ideas to life.
I volunteered here at WASD, and the reason that I came back is because it provides a good opportunity for me to meet new people and to connect with people in the industry and hopefully get to talk to them in the future.
I'm at WASD today volunteering to help out with Proxy Studios and showcasing their game Zephon. Get to explore the event, to network and enjoy the time with showcasing all the other games.
It can feel helpful helping us on the show floor and keeping a flow of people playing the game and explaining the game. And I think it gives them insight into what it might be like making video games and mixing with video game creators like us. I think it gives insight into what it's like working in a studio.
Being in places like this is really important when you make video games because you want to sell it or at least show it to the people. You want to show it to most people as possible. And I think that's a really nice experience to have, just to be able to talk to people about a game that they like.
It's a really good chance to meet members of the industry, put yourself out there.
It's a great way to kind of get an insight into the industry and also try different genres of games that you've never tried before.